Hello, welcome to another video tutorial from Polymath Learning Center. Today we will teach you how to use placeholders to solve a difficult branching question. This question is suitable for students from Primary 5 and Primary 6. The question is, O spent $1,540 on the sofa. He spent 1/5 of his remaining money on the vase. He then had 1/4 of his original sum of money left. How much money did O have at first? O had a total sum of money that we do not know at first. In order to continue drawing the branching diagram, we will just use suitable words as placeholders to represent values that we do not yet know. Since we do not know the total amount of money O has, we use the word total as a placeholder and start branching out from it. We know that O spent $1,540 on the sofa. Again, we do not know the value of the money he had remaining after buying the sofa. So we use the word remaining as a placeholder. We were told in the second sentence of the question that O spent 1/5 of his remaining money on the vase. This means that the remaining money must be represented by 5 units, and he used 1 unit on the vase, leaving 4 units left in the end. So we will label the remaining portion as 5 units, and then we will label the vase as 1 unit, and then 4 units as the amount we have in the end. We were then told that the 4 units left in the end represents 1/4 of the total O had at first. So since 4 units represent 1/4 of what O had, we can multiply 4 units by 4 to find out all of O's units at first, which is 16 units. Now that we know that O's total is 16 units, we can find out that the $1,540 spent on the sofa represents 11 units, as the remaining is 5 units. Alright, so we take the total of 16 units, subtract the remaining 5 units to find out that the sofa is actually represented by 11 units. So we divide 1,540 by 11 units to find the value of 1 unit, which is $140. Lastly, we multiply $140 by 16 units to find the answer of $2,240. Thank you for watching today's video tutorial, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Goodbye.